Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechSpress. Today, let's get started. In today's tutorial, we combine powerful AI tools for speed and data, then use a platform like Dova for simplified, reliable fulfillment. So this approach is perfect for beginners. I'm going to be showing you today 4 crucial steps to launch your AI-powered dropshipping store: the product research, the store build, the Dova integration, and the AI marketing copy. So let's get started. The first thing to do, of course, is to AI-powered product research. So you wanted to stop scrolling through endless feeds. AI tools analyze millions of data points, social media trends, search volumes, and computer sales to spot the next big product before it goes viral. For this particular tutorial, we're going to be using a Shopify website that we currently have for making drop shipping. So look for products that solve a crucial problem or have a strong wow factor. So this tool score products based on predicted demand. So we can filter your results by products with high daily orders and a profit margin of at least 150%. For this, I'm going to, of course, go directly into Dova. Here into this section, what we can do is to look out for the option that says AI Picker. The AI Picker is a really great sourcing expert that can be helping us to find the really great product we are actually looking for. So the first thing to do is to get started with my niche. Let's say, for example, that here my niche is specifically speaking about, let's say, something over sports. Into sports, I'm going to be looking for team sports. And the products into this team sports category here in the AI Picker have this, for example, the recommended products. In this case, the soccer ball training strap. Why is this? Because the recommended product says that the low-cost, fast-move items with ample stock and free shipping, boosting retail margins and customer satisfaction. If this is actually real, I'm going to click into this specific product. And we have the actual product detail. Something that we loved about Dava.com is that here with artificial intelligence, we can just list this to the store really fast. So as you can see here, we have the actual product description of this product, and we can download all of this information so we can import this directly into our store, or automatically viewing this directly into listed to the store just by clicking directly into it. And now it says choose a store to list. So I choose my Shopify store and I hit for continue. If you don't have an actual store, something that the Dova has is that we can generate an AI built store in minutes. Yes, we can launch an AI driven dropshipping in minutes. So if you click into the option that says try it now, what the Dova application is going to be generating, of course, is to help us with the AI store builder. We can use the AI pickers we just did before, the auto listener, and the listening optimizer. If you click into the AI store builder, this is going to be generating us an actual store with Shopify, Wix, or BigCommerce. I'm going to start building this with Shopify. Once again, I'm going to focus only for sports. Hit for next. The theme color, I'm going to be choosing this, for example. And we can choose an actual store banner. For example, this one. In this case, I'm going to go for next. And now it says go to the Shopify, open a new tab, and enter your email and hit the start free trial. Of course, you need to pay for the actual trial mode of the Shopify before we come back here and hit for next. Now I'm going to copy my URL, which in this case should be appearing here into my settings. So what's happening here is that the Dova AI is setting the store for us. So what we need to do is just to wait a few minutes. So we can now start once again with the AI picker. So I changed my actual niche for video games, but basically this is what we're actually aiming for. So I select one product, let's say for example this one. I check out once again the product, I check out the actual price, I check out the description. If I like what I see here, then I can go to list this directly into my store. So I choose this one, I chose to continue. And what's happening here is that we can now start to setting up the actual endpoint of the inventory list. So let's say that I delete this element and I can start with the product tags, the product type. I can change the category, I can change the collection. Here's the actual description. Usually I leave this description just as it is. And here's the actual product, which is the dollar priced, the shipping cost, the sales price, and the profit margin. If you're okay with this, then choose the option that says list and add to the inventory list. And just like that, this product should be added automatically directly into our element. So let's go back directly into our store, look out for the option that says products, and here we should see our product that is going to be already been added automatically, and we can see that our product is now being successfully added. So now let's talk about the marketing, copy, and creative. A winning product needs a winning copy, so you don't want to use the supplier's generic description. Usually I leave this as it is, but we can use the artificial intelligence language model. For marketing, for example, we can use image editors like the Flood to turn basic supplier photos into stunning branded sales lifestyle shots. In this case, for example, let's say that I can select the highlights of this description. I have a specification, I select all of this, I choose the generic edits, and let's say I wanted to rephrase this to make this look a little bit more playful. And I go for keep. Just like that, the artificial intelligence changed my actual description. This is exactly what we are actually aiming for. And something else, for example, is that I don't like a lot to use this kind of images description, because usually it fills a lot my actual page. So I just stick around with this one. Here's my actual media. I go for saved, and we're actually good to go. Then we have the automated fulfillment and the scales, because once the sales roll in, Dova, for example, handles the final automation step. So when an order is placed into your store, it automatically transfers this order directly into your Dova dashboard. So I'm going to close this. You can see here into our Dova, we have our actual account. So I'm going to close this once again, my Dova. Here I'm going to focus for my orders, and here it should be appearing my actual store orders, right? So you just confirm the payment to the supplier, and Adobe takes care of the shipping and critically automatically sends the tracking number back to the customer via your Shopify store. And this is an actual true hands-off fulfillment. So as you can see, the artificial intelligence can be helping you to generate the really actual great elements into your online stores using the Shopify. We have used Shopify and Dova, but there's more elements to come when you want to generate this kind of elements directly inside Shopify using Dova with artificial intelligence. So guys, what is the first AI tool you're going to try for product research? You can let me know into the comments below. If this blueprint was helpful, click the like button and subscribe to Express to check out more about dropshipping, about Shopify, and so much more. So thank you once again, guys. See you hopefully next time.